In this video, we will learn how to find the circumference of a circle, both using the radius and diameter. The first example we see is the radius because it goes halfway through a circle. So we're going to use this circumference formula that has the radius in it, 2 pi r. So that formula means 2 times pi times r. So what that means to find our circumference is we're going to type into our calculator 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times the radius. 2 times pi times radius will give us 31.4. The next one has diameter in it. This one has diameter in it because the line is going all the way through the circle. Let's go ahead and use the formula that says pi times diameter, which means we'll multiply 3.14 times 8. 3.14 times 8 is 25.12. So the circumference is 25.12 inches.